Meet the Ooni Karu 16 multi-fuel pizza oven. It was the first ever home pizza oven certified by the AVPN to cook authentic Neapolitan-style pizza, and for good reason. Let's take a closer look. An extra thick corduroy baking stone stretches 17 inches across, which allows you to easily cook and turn 16-inch pizzas inside the oven. A thermometer mounted on the front of the oven shows you the ambient temperature inside to help eliminate guesswork and get the perfect bake every time. An attached drop-down door keeps the heat inside the oven, and our patented view flame technology keeps the glass clear, which allows you to keep an eye on your pizza as it cooks. And you'll want to keep that heat inside because the Karu 16 heats up fast and can maintain a sizzling 950 degrees to cook Neapolitan-style pizzas in a matter of minutes. Part of the reason for this is the Karu 16's optimized fuel tray, which boosts airflow to help you get the most mileage out of your fuel. And as for fuel, the Karu 16 cooks with wood or charcoal straight out of the box, or with a separate gas attachment for added flexibility when you need it. A built-in ceiling vent and chimney baffle allow you to control airflow, which helps direct your flame to wherever you need it most. Extra height inside the oven allows you to cook far beyond pizza. You can make breads, veggies, and large cuts of meats in the Karu 16 to give any dish some wood-fired flavor or a world-class sear. This is Ooni's most versatile and professional quality oven yet. And just like all our ovens, the Karu 16 can cook your pizzas to world-class standards. We can't wait for you to try it out.